Let's move on. The fifth one, that is tan A plus B. Let's write the formula first. This is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. How do we get this? Tan A plus B from the definition is equal to sin A plus B upon cos A plus B, which is equal to, now sin A plus B is same as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Divide the numerator and denominator by cos A cos B. We are doing this so that we get the right hand side in terms of tan. So by dividing the numerator and denominator by cos A cos B, we get sin A cos B upon cos A cos B plus cos A sin B upon cos A cos B whole upon cos A cos B upon cos A cos B minus sin A sin B upon cos A cos B. Alright, so now cos B gets cancelled here. Sin A upon cos A is tan A plus sin cos A gets cancelled. Sin B upon cos B is tan B upon cos A into cos B upon cos into cos B is 1 minus sin A upon cos A is tan A, sin B upon cos B is tan B, so tan A into tan B, and this gives us the formula for tan A plus B. For tan A minus B, we will do what we have been keep doing till now. We will replace B by minus B in the formula. If we replace B by minus B, tan A minus B is equal to, the left hand side becomes tan A minus B, right hand side will be tan A plus tan of minus B upon 1 minus tan A into tan of minus B. This is equal to tan A. Now tan B, tan of minus B is same as minus tan B, so minus tan B upon 1 minus, this is minus tan B, so minus into minus becomes plus, and then tan A tan B. So this is the formula. Let's write it again. Number 6, tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Alright, so let's look at the next one, 7th, that is cot A plus B. Now cot A plus B, I'll write the formula first, is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. Notice that we are writing cot B before cot A here, because in the formula of cot A minus B we get cot B minus cot A. That's why, to remember that carefully, we are writing cot B first in this formula. Let's derive this. Cot A plus B by definition is equal to cos A plus B upon sin A plus B, that is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B upon sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now divide numerator and denominator by sin A sin B so that we get the RHS in terms of cot. So this is equal to cos A cos B upon sin A sin B minus sin A sin B upon sin A sin B whole upon sin A cos B upon sin A sin B plus cos A sin B upon sin A sin B. So this is equal to cos A upon sin A is cot A, cos B upon sin B is cot B. So cot A cot B, sin A into sin B upon sin A into sin B is 1, so minus 1 upon sin A gets cancelled here, cos B upon sin B is cot B, sin B upon sin B gets cancelled, cos A upon sin A is cot A. So this gives us the formula for cot A plus B. To get the formula for cot A minus B, we replace B by minus B in this identity. So B is replaced by minus B everywhere in the identity. That means the left hand side becomes cot A minus B, right hand side is cot A cot of minus B minus 1 upon cot of minus B plus cot A. Now cot of minus theta is minus cot theta, so cot of minus B becomes minus cot B. So this is minus cot A cot B minus 1 upon minus cot B plus cot A. Take negative common in the numerator and negative common in the denominator. So we get minus cot A cot B plus 1 upon minus of cot B minus cot A. Minus minus gets cancelled. So we get the formula as cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. This is the formula for cot A minus B. Okay, so I hope that you got the compound angle formulas for all the trigonometric ratios. We'll look at one example on how compound angle formula can be applied to find the value of sine 15 degrees. So sine 15 degrees can be written as sine of 45 minus 30 degree, which is equal to, now apply the compound angle formula of sine A minus B, which is sine A, that is sine 45 degree, into cos B, so cos 30 degree, minus cos A into sine B. Sine 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, minus cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 and sine 30 degree is 1 upon 2. So we get this is equal to root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2, which is the value of sine 15 degree, and it is also the value of cos 75 degrees. Similarly, we can find the value of cos 15 degree. So let's find that. Cos 15 degrees is equal to cos 45 minus 30 degree. Now angle A is 45 degree, angle B is 30 degree. Apply the compound angle formula for cos, that is cos A into cos B plus sine A into sine B. Put the values. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, plus sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, minus into sine 30 degree, which is 1 upon 2. So this is equal to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. And with the values of cos and sine 15 degrees, we know them. Tan 15 degrees will be equal to sine 15 upon cos 15, which is equal to root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So I hope you got the application of the compound angle formulas and the compound angle formulas that we have learned in these videos. Let's hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you like the video and you understood the concept. So we'll keep posting more videos like this. Thank you.